Hi everyone. Today, we'll learn how to create a Windows Forms VB.NET application that displays user input in a message box when clicking a button. Perfect for beginners learning VB.NET. Let's start by creating a Windows Forms project. This will be the base for our interactive application. We'll add a text box for the user to enter input and a button that will display the input in a message box when clicked. Inside the button click event, we store the text box input in a variable user input, then display it with MessageBox.Show using concatenation. Now, whatever you type in the text box will be shown in the message box when you click the button. Easy and interactive. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more VB.NET tutorials. Next, we'll learn how to validate user input before displaying it. Stay tuned.